If you're a foodie looking for protein-packed snacks, you're in for a treat. Check this out. First up, chana chaat. Mix boiled chickpeas, chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, and a squeeze of lemon. It's tangy, spicy, and full of protein. Next, moong dal laddu. Roast moong dal, grind it into flour, mix with jaggery, and shape into balls. Sweet and healthy. Third, paneer tikka. Marinate paneer cubes in yogurt and spices, then grill. It's smoky and delicious. Fourth, sprouted moong salad. Just toss sprouted moong beans with cucumbers, carrots, and chaat masala. So fresh, so crunchy. Lastly, peanut chicky. Melt jaggery, mix with roasted peanuts, and let it set. Crispy, nutty, and protein-rich. Try these Desi delights and boost your protein intake. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tips.